Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the Detekt Radon test. This is a short-term test. You're going to be testing for about 72 hours in your home. And then this is one of the only tests that does require you to send it to a laboratory, but everything, including the shipping label, is in the kit. No extra fees, no extra effort. So we're going to go ahead and open this kit and test it out. Radon is an odorless, colorless gas, so it's really important that you test with an actual test, or else you're not going to know if you have radon, and it is very cancerous. It is actually very common in the United States. If you have any sort of basement or lower level, you really should be testing for radon. So let's get started. So everything you need is in this kit. We have our shipping label here. So this is the pouch that we mail it in. We have our instructions, and because this is a lab test, the laboratory is going to need to contact you, so you're going to have to set it up in your portal. That's one thing that's very important with this test, is you have to make a portal account, and you have to tell it when you started and stopped the test. And that is really important because radon is not based on a yes or no. Radon is a naturally occurring gas that is in the soil and comes up. So when you're reading radon, you really want to read the level of radon. And so they need to know when you stopped and started your test so that they can tell how much radon filtered through this test during that period of time. So you're going to have to follow the login credentials here. And then we have our carbon testing kit here. So looking at our instructions here, it says between 48 and 96 hours. So 72 is kind of the sweet spot there. Once you open it, you should time when it's happening, right? That's the most important part. And then you're going to go online and set up your account, and you're going to leave it there for 72 hours. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And I'm going to be setting it here for 72 hours. Hey guys, so it has been 72 hours, so we are going to go ahead and put it in the mail and get our results. So, sealing it up.